Hello, it's Andrew from Webbers, and just look at this fine property behind me. St Stephen's House, a Georgian masterpiece with a lovely circular sweeping driveway, beautiful courtyard, loads of accommodation, and I just can't wait to show you a little bit more about what this home has to offer. So let's go and see. So there we are. You've seen all of the key elements of this lovely Georgian property. If you'd like to be one of the first to view, then please contact Webbers on 01566 77 6211. Thank you.